PLCs and personal training domains. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Groups feature on the MISS.MOE platform to create professional learning communities and personal training domains. PLC stands for Professional Learning Community. They can represent small circles or large networks of educators who share an interest in a set of topics or specialties related to their field. PLCs are a great way for educators to socialize while working to improve their practice. On MISS.MOE, PLC groups can also be used as a means to set up personal training domains. These are community pages where you can organize and display specific courses and digital badges for the members of your group. This is particularly helpful when you want to showcase digital badge offerings from the presenters at a specific conference you are organizing, or when you want to showcase specific trainings for the staff at your campus. So let's get started. First, we are going to take a look at what groups are and how they work. When you log into the MISS.MOE digital badging platform, you will notice a section called PLC Groups when you visit the PLC and Portfolios tab over here. When you visit this section, you will be able to search through and join some of the existing PLC groups hosted by others on the MISS.MOE platform. If you want to create your own group, simply click on the Create Group button in the top right corner here. While creating a new group, you will want to carefully read the settings you are selecting on the group page to see if they suit your needs. In particular, you will want to decide if this group is going to be a closed group or an open group. All groups are open by default unless you click on this button here to set it to closed. A closed group just means that the group is private, so users will need to submit a join request and be manually approved to be part of the group by the group's moderator or creator. Only the members who are part of a closed group will be able to see and interact with the group's activities. In contrast, open groups allow anyone to join automatically simply by clicking the button to join the group. No manual authorization from the group's moderators is needed for this. I'm going to create a new group for educators interested in supporting students with language development or English language learners. Once you create your new group, you will notice that the layout of group pages looks a lot like the user portfolio pages that you see on the site. Similarly, you can change your group's profile picture or avatar and the cover image for your group's page by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner over here. You will notice that you can now also change your group settings, post an announcement to your group, and send an email to your group members from this section. Once you have customized your group, you will be ready to invite new members. And if your group is a closed group, note that you will need to manually approve all new members as well. To approve pending requests to join your group, just click on the Members link towards the top of the group page, right over here, and then click on Pending Invitations. From here, you will be able to approve or deny join requests. Now, unlike personal portfolio pages, PLC group members will all be able to upload images, videos, events, discussions, and post to the group's page unless you set restrictions on this in the group settings. Finally, you will notice two new sections that appear on the right side of your group stream. This includes a section entitled Badge Library and one for Member Discussions and Group Announcements. Let's take a moment to focus on the Badge Library. This feature lets you turn your group page into a type of personalized training domain for the staff at your campus or a digital badge library for the attendees at your conference. Let's go over a quick use case for this. Let's say I am organizing an educational convention or a conference with a number of speakers who are hosting presentations or workshops for attendees. Using MISS.MOE, I can create a group with the title of my conference and year. Then, I can encourage the conference speakers to upload their session materials and offer digital badges through the MISS.MOE training platform. Then, I can organize and showcase the badges offered by the conference presenters right here in this badge library. This way, attendees will have an easy-to-access list of all the digital badges offered by the speakers at this conference. And those who are absent or unable to attend certain sessions will have a means of accessing the presentation materials they missed on MISS.MOE and still have the opportunity to earn a digital badge. I am going to click on Add/Remove Courses in Badge Library right here. From here, I can look for the courses or presentations uploaded by the conference speakers by either searching for the course or presentation name or searching by the name of the presenter. When you find the presentations or courses you are looking for, simply check the box that appears to the left of the course's title to add it to your badge library. Similarly, unchecking these boxes will remove a course from your badge library. When I am finished, I'm going to save my changes. And now you can see these badges showcased in the badge library on my MISS.MOE group page. Another use case for this is to create a similar badge library for the staff members at my school's campus. If I'm in charge of training staff on a specific topic, say how to better support students who are English language learners, then I can search for courses with digital badges on this topic and can add them to the badge library here. This will make it easier for my staff to locate these specific trainings. Remember, while closed groups are private or closed to site members who you have not manually approved to be involved in your group, the trainings on the MISS.MOE platform are not intended to be private. In other words, the badge library allows you to curate digital badges on the MISS.MOE website to make them easier to find for your school staff or conference attendees. But that does not mean others won't be able to access these same courses from inside the training portal. I hope you have fun using the groups and badge library features on MISS.MOE to help organize presentations and trainings for your conference attendees and school staff. Thanks for watching. For more information about digital badges, please visit www.miss.moe.